Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss acupuncture treatment for warts. For blood deficiency and dryness, common warts usually on the hands, dry and pale brown color, dry skin, dry hair, blurred vision, pale and dry tongue. The pulse would be choppy or fine. For blood heat, a reddish or brown warts, feeling of heat, mental restlessness, insomnia, thirst, a red tongue, and an overflowing rapid pulse. For blood stasis, dark brown warts, dark complexion, mental restlessness, dry skin, a purple tongue, and a wiry pulse. For damp heat in the liver channel, genital warts on the penis or vulva and vagina, genital itching and pain, red tongue with redder sides and a sticky yellow coating. The pulse would be wiry, slippery, and rapid. For damp heat with toxic heat, painful genital warts with pustular eruption, feeling of heat, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue with red points, and a sticky yellow coating. The pulse would be overflowing, slippery, and rapid. As you can see in the figure, the wart's traditional Chinese medicine view, a stagnation of damp on meridian if it is in a small area, like a dorsum of the hand. For damp stagnation in the lung, if they are extensive. For treatment, you can use local needles around the wart or hot needles in the wart. Local moxa or ginger moxa to tonify yang, sedate the yin of meridian. Two treatments weekly for 8 to 12 sessions in total. For treatment of plantar warts, foot sole is associated with the kidneys. You can use bladder 58, luo connecting point, bladder 23, back shoe point, a ginger moxa on sole over the warts. If extensive, you can sedate the lung 5. As the foot sole is mainly associated with the kidneys, the problem is treated as a damp stagnation of the kidney. The chi is tonified by kidney 3, the grandmother point, which tonifies the kidney yang aspect, and the bladder 23, the back shoe point, bladder 58, the luo connecting point is used in order to make the shift or to sedate yin and tonify yang simultaneously. For technique, take, take metal handled needle and wrapping the handle in gauze to protect your hand. Hold the tip of the needle for about 1 to 1.5 cm in a fire. We used a spirit burner. When the needle is red hot, quickly puncture the wart with the tip and then withdraw the needle immediately. You will hear the skin sizzle. This is done only once for each wart. The wart will gradually dry and shrink to disappear over the next few days. Warts on the dorsum of the hand. The warts are mainly on the back of the hands, then we could treat the triple warmer meridian. The points we would use are bladder 22, the back shoe of the triple warmer, a triple warmer 6, house element point, and triple warmer 5, the luo connecting point. For warts on the palms, if the palms are mainly on the palm, then we should be treating the lung meridian. If this flows on the palm, we can use points, the bladder 13, a backstreet of the lung, a lung 10, the grandmother point, and a large intestine 6, the luo connecting point. If the warts are extensive and cover many meridians, then sedation of lung yin with point lung 5, the sedation point is necessary. Thank you for your attention.